Hey guys, it's me with my OC car. Stop it! You ready to see how fast it is? I bet you just couldn't shut up. Nope, good. Remember to subscribe, leave a like, and then tell your friends about me. That has no reverse though. Wish it did.
It doesn't have reverse?
No, of course not.
Why?
They usually do, but this one doesn't. Hey guys, I'm back. I'm just going into the road now. Show you how fast it is. Okay, cool. Alyssa, I need my camera woman.
You're gonna send that on YouTube?
Yes, I'm doing a YouTube video right now.
What? Why?
Camera woman.
Wait.
She's too busy Snapchatting over there.
Levi, look at my wheel. It's awesome.
I think the battery's dying.
Mine is too. Look at my wheel.
Is it recording?
Yes.
Oh.
Levi, look at my wheel. Levi.
Yeah, the battery's dying.
Am I supposed to like point it at you? Who am I supposed to
That's how fast it is when the battery's dying.
Levi.
That's the button.
Levi,
What button?
look at my tires.